How to remove your YouTube account from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can remove your YouTube account from all of the active devices. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your YouTube application from your device and tap onto Use section on your bottom right. Here tap on Google account. As you do so, you will see a page like this. In here, swipe into your left and go on to Security tab. At this page, scroll below and tap on Manage All Device under Your Devices. You will see a login history from all of the devices that you have logged in your YouTube account from. To remove one of the devices, tap onto it and tap on Sign Out. Then confirm the sign out, and this will also remove access to your Google account from that device. To confirm, tap on to sign out. Just like so, this is how you do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will catch you up soon.